Let us solve few more TET questions. If edge of the cube is 5 cm, then its total surface area is. They have given edge of the cube. We need to find its total surface area. First, let us draw the cube. How many faces it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces it has. And we know that area of each face is same, and each face is a square. And the side of the square is 5 cm. Then what is area of square? 5 into 5, which is 25. And how many such faces we have? 6 faces. So 6 into 25, which is 150. The answer is 150. This is another TET question. Root of 3 power x equal to 81. We need to find out the value of x. They have given root of 3 power x equal to 81. Square it on both sides. We will get 3x equal to 81 into 81, which is 3 power 4 into 3 power 4, which is 3 power 8. 3 power x equal to 3 power 8, then x equal to 8. This is the answer.